Hi everyone, it's your one and only Fadan Empire. When I say Fadan, you say Empire. So it's nice to see you all again. So without taking much of you guys' time, I want to show you guys how I achieve this look. So I will take you guys down on a journey how I achieve this look. So who miss me? I know you all are missing me. I'm trying my best to keep updates with you, to be giving you people updates, but it's not working. But I know I'll do my best. Okay, I'll do my best. I know my best is not good enough at this point, but I'm going to try to do my best. So without taking much of you guys' time, let me show you all how I achieve this beautiful makeup. You see, blue. Okay, stay tuned and enjoy. Guys, as you can see, I drew my brows off the camera and I'm priming my face with the Mary Kay primer and also setting my face with the Mary Kay setting powder. It's good for those of us that have oil skin to set our face with a setting powder first. So I'm going to be doing another kind of makeup. I'm laying my concealer before I will lay my foundation and everything. So I'm just going to be laying them, or should I say putting them one at a time before I blend them through all over. I'm going to blend both my concealer, my dark concealer, my lighter concealer, my foundation, all of them together. So now I finished and I'm blending. I blend with my brush, my foundation brush. So this brush is very good. It's easy to blend. Blend, you blend, you blend, 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 you blend, you blend. So now I changed the brush to a smaller one to give it a pointed nose, for those of us who have wide nose. So I went over with my lighter concealer again to give it some kind of, how will I say, to have that contouring look. So now I'm baking. Should I say I'm cooking my face? I'm setting my face. Don't mind me. So I'm using the Mary Kay contour dark shade to contour my face. Now I'm using the almighty Cynthia eyeshadow palette, the Fadan Beauty. The palette is of my brand. It's called the Fadan Beauty palette, the blue eyeshadow. Oh my god, I can go over and over and over. If you don't have Fadan Beauty palette, then you are missing. Now we are using the shimmer color, and you try to blend your eyeshadow, because eyeshadow and your brows also define your makeup. So now we are using the lighter concealer to cut our eyeliner. Wow, are you seeing that blue color popping, sitting as an eyeliner? Are you seeing that blue popping, sitting as an eyeliner? So I changed also the brush to a smaller one so that it will line the eyeliner very well, the blue eyeliner very well, just to correct. So what we did on the first eye, we are doing it in the second one also. So grab your popcorn. If you haven't grab one, take your water or your juice and sit and watch this amazing woman transform. Okay, so we are also cutting our eyeliner. I don't know what it's called, eyeliner, but it's not the crease. It's not cutting the crease, or should I say cutting the crease? I don't know. Okay, because crease is the up, and this is where the eyeliner stay. Don't mind me, oh. We discuss as we are talking, you know, or should I say, as I'm telling you what I'm doing to my face, because this face needs to be pampered. So I blend all through. I've buffed out my banana powder. I've set my face. I'm just using my brush, the smaller one, to go through, try to set everything, my brows, also try to make sure everything is in good place. So we are ready to hit the party. KK. So I'm using the blue eyeshadow for my under eye. Yeah, under eye. Going over with my mascara to bring out my own personal lashes. Then my Fader Beauty lashes could sit properly. You see the way that lashes is sitting, and look at the wings. You will know. That's how to know. That is how to really know a seated well lashes. Are you feeling it? You see, you know that lashes is sitting properly. So I went through with my mascara under my eye. Yeah. Now the Almighty Revolution highlighter. This highlighter is magical. It is nice. It is what I love. I love it. It's one of my best highlighter. It's very cheap. It's affordable. You can get it in a drugstore. So, but it's one of my favorites. You see the way I handle. If you want to know a good makeup artist, check the way he handles a brush. Now we are setting our face with the Revolution setting spray. That is the Fade and Lipstick. So we have come to the end of the video. How do I look? I look beautiful, right? And smatchy. Yes. So I'm putting on a blue blazer dress. And please don't forget to like, share, and comment down below. Don't forget to like, share, and comment down below, so I will know how good I am and what's your take on the makeup. I don't know if you can see my dress. So okay, see you guys next time. See, I am popping. So bye guys.